Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. It's a biometric safe. I'll show you guys how it works here and what it all is. Let's put this box over here. Comes in another box here, so this is the box for it. It says AINIRO. Think AINIRO, think safe. Okay, so when you think of AINIRO, I will start thinking of safe. Boy, this knife is just, keep forgetting I gotta get a new knife. Sharpen it or something. Okay, so in here we have something else, and okay, I will take everything out, put the box up here. Something, I heard a beep. Okay, I keep pushing buttons. The buttons are all right there. Okay, so quick start guide here. It kind of gives you the quick start guide of how to do it. It says you can scan the code to get a quick guide video, which I will not be doing right now. But we have fingerprint scanner on the front. We have the code here. Oh, can you see? Maybe not. Okay, so now here you can see. This is the device here. It is a nice black box here. It's got a handle on it so you could carry it around if you need to carry your stuff with you. It's got the ability to lock it with a key here. And then we have the validation failed. That's pretty cool. It says that. So we'll need to figure out how to open this thing up here to get it started. So I think we're going to have to charge it and then move it forward and stuff. So let's see what we need here. Okay. So in here we have some keys. Look at these keys. They fold up. It's like folding key. So let's try that. Is this going to... look at that. So there it opens up. Twisting it up there. It comes with a little cable tie here. So I think this can give us the ability to lock it up to something else. So, boy, this is tight. So if I was going to lock it up to my this here, I could. I think I feed this through somewhere. Let me see. Not sure where I feed this through. I'll see. I'll figure it out here in a second. Validation failed. Okay. It's in the back there. Oh, it goes through here. So we can put this, I could like tie it onto this here and go through there like this. So there, now we have it, connected up to my little wagon here. I put this through the little area here, and then when it's closed up, you see nobody can take it with them. So that's the way to kind of lock it to have it secure to a location. We have some screws here, I guess if we wanted to screw it into the wall or whatever. And then we have our password thing. So we have open the safe, we push OK, which is OK. I don't see OK. Let me see what the buttons are. D is the OK button. So A, B, C, oh, D is on the inside. Oh, there's all sorts of buttons on the inside. So here's different foam, depending on what you're going to put in there. You can use different foam. Here we go on the inside. I don't know if you can see from there. In the inside back here, there's some buttons here. So it has an OK, set, and exit button. So let's see if we want to set up our passcodes and fingerprints. We would push OK 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Operation successful. Okay, and then we press set. Please enter new administrator password. And now for our administrator password, we want it to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we push OK. Please enter new administrator password again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then, okay. Password set successfully. Okay, so now Please register fingerprint. Okay, so now password set successfully. Put finger on designated place. 2, 3, 4. Fingerprint registration successful. Okay, so now. Okay, so now we are set. So we have it all set up here. So now we can close this up, take out our key, and if I wanted to open it, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it opens. And then the alternating mode, if we want to do this, it'll open there. Just for fun, let's try this thumb. Ah, it knows. Okay, cool. So it works. Okay, and you saw how quick that was to set this all up. So now we have a working safe. We can put something in here. I could stick my jewelry in here and stick it in my, lock it up to my drawer or something. So then people have to take the whole dresser with them or whatever I want to put on. I can set it all up and have it ready to go. And how cool is that? Nice little thing. Or if I was taking it with me somewhere that I didn't want other people to be able to get into anything, I could just carry it with me and it's ready to go. So unless they have the key or the codes, they're just out of luck. So super cool. And it looks really nice. And if I open it up here, let me. Okay, it's nice. And it's got a place up here for stuff too. It's got a little zipper compartment. I can put my medicines or something like that in there that I don't want people to get in my house. I could do that even too. That might be a more useful one than jewelry or something for me. I don't have much jewelry, but I could put medicines in there and keep anybody away from it. But super cool. Nice little case. And I'd say it's good. I'd say thumbs up. Works good. It's easy to set up. Man, you saw this video is 5 minutes long and I got everything going. So awesome.